Big L's, it's from RC. Riding dirty, riding clean. Cameras in the street, kick on my force on the scene. Big L's, it's from RC. Watch the power when we slide. From the bash to the speed runs.
Guys, this is a new MJX Big L style. As you can see, all in green. Representing myself, Big L. So yeah, so I've printed them. Get the body up. Printed a few new things. Bumper springs, front and rear. Side skirts to hold the body in. These are 10mm higher than what standard are. Cable tidy. That is from my buddy Mike, Canadian RC. Link down below to his YouTube channel and his 3D printed store. Guys, check that out. That is brilliant. It's got loads of different things, loads of different colours. You name it, he's got it. These ain't mine. These are what I've just got offline, but I think they're a brilliant idea. Try them out, see if it helps keep all the dirt out, especially on this loose surface. I've got the BMX track today. So I've also done rear skid, front skid. They are my design. So if anyone is interested in any of these for the MJX 10208, and I believe it will all fit the MJX 10210, I will leave a link in the description where you can find them, and then yeah, check them out. So on with the bash, let's go. Also guys, just a quick one. The rear body skid near the wheelie bar, I am currently just designing one of them as well. So yeah, so that will be available as well. Need to sort myself out then. And again. Truck trying to kill me today, guys. Smooth. Oh, spun out. I was trying to hope for a smooth one then. Don't know where that was going. Smooth. Oh. Rail. Oh. Close. Yes. Oh, flat landed. Oh, even the MJX. Oh, not enough. Oh, that beaut. Oh, nearly. Alright guys, working well, kicking dirt out. Alright, but for now guys, that is the MJX done. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for everything. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, smash that bell. Guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next one.
L's, it's your RC. Riding dirty, riding clean. KRS in the street, kick on my force on the scene.